Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 26th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free trading community on Discord, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So we are drifting up pretty good. We made a pretty nice little higher low yesterday, so we are drifting up. I still think there's a very good likelihood this move up is just a crescent to the last five waves down. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on here. If we go back up to like the daily time frame, I'm not really convinced that this is the continuation of the uptrend. I think it's more likely that it is going to go down again, making some sort of a three-way pattern before it either goes up to the top of the channel or possibly breaks out of the channel, making this big uptrend that we've been waiting for. So I am looking at this move up as a possible correction. I'm watching my Fibonacci levels very, very closely. I do not think that it's going to go down now. Even if it does drift down, I would definitely expect it to go up again. But if it does make a nice engulfing move to the downside at a fib level, I would definitely take it as a short. And if I went short and maintained impulsive movement, then I would hold on to that short and ride the thing down. If I went short and instead of maintaining impulsive movement, it made a very corrective pattern and then impulsive up, that would be my exit. So I'm definitely looking for shorts at Fibonacci levels. I think this move up is very likely a crescent to this move down, so we definitely want to pay attention to our Fibonacci levels for potentially more sorting opportunities. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.